Hi friends, welcome to this YouTube tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you two major reasons why your video is stuck at 0 views whenever you publish every video. Like each video you publish, you always get 0 views. You always get stuck at that 0 views. Like you might be asking if you are shadow banned or not. I don't think it's a matter of being shadow banned because even even while you check your video, you check copyright and all these strikes, you don't have any strike, but it's still stuck at zero. You upload your video, um, and in next 12 hours it's still zero, or maybe in the next 24 hours zero, and everything you put all the effort and hard work on your YouTube short content and you still get stuck at zero. So what's the solution? We are going to be talking about it right now. So let's get started. The second step is that whenever you publish a video, don't forget there are some questions that they do ask when you are publishing a video. You- and many of us we do miss this stuff because maybe when we upload on short, we are not able to see all these the questions that they do ask whenever you are uploading a video. There are two important questions they do ask. Like for example, now is this video made for kids? Whenever you want to upload a video, you must make sure you answer this question. Yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids. And plus again, you have to be checking and be reading some other things and be answering it. For example, this altered content, do any of your video does any, like, what they mean here is that does your video, is there any footage in your video that change the actual event of the of like for example AI video. Now maybe somebody said something and you now change it to another thing that he didn't say anything. So you have to answer the question, because now I get, now you might have uploaded an AI video, but maybe an altered AI video, but you didn't answer this question if it was an altered content or not. And YouTube Short will be able to detect that your video is an AI video. And when they detect it, it's going to um it's going to they are when they detect it, it's going to show that they will be able to recognize that this is an AI video, and they won't, if you've not answered this question yes or no, they won't I don't think they'll push your video on For You page because you haven't answered some questions like that. So these are the two steps, and there's one step I want to talk about, which is your title and your description. You need to add enough information about your video, like at least 7 keywords in your video. I don't mean hashtag, but add important relevant keywords that are related to your videos. So like maybe now you add more description, put more and more, add more and more description that describes the video. So I think that's all for it. If you follow these 3 steps: number one, increase the quality of your video; number two, answer these questions that are here; and number three, add more description and title, add more keywords to your description and title. Once you do that, I think that you are going to there will be 60% chance that your issue or your solution or this stuff will work out for you. You will get out of the 0 view jail. So there will be 60% chance, not 100% chance, but 60, at least it will solve most of the problems you are having with this stuff. So I believe, thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. The first issue with your video is the first issue that you are being stuck at 0 views is the quality of your video. First of all, whenever you upload a video, make sure you upload a high quality video, or high quality video, because if you like if your video is of poor quality, no matter how, even if no restrictions on your video or nothing, no restriction, no sort of any kind of restriction on your video, you are still going to get stuck at 0 views, because YouTube Short can't push out your video because of the poor quality of your video. So what you should do, the solution you should do, is that whenever you have to delete the video and increase the quality, or improve on the video quality. You have to do something about the quality of the video. If you improve on the quality and you publish it again, I don't think you are going to have any issues of getting stuck at that zero views. There's a 60% chance that issue will have been solved, or you will escape that zero view jail. So that's the first step.